Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we simplify all things related to tech. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate comparison of Shopify and WooCommerce. Both are contenders these days, but which is right for you in 2025? Stick around till the end because we're discussing and breaking down each one of them with reference to different characters such as ease of use, pricing, features, and scalability. Okay, to get started, let's understand and have a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is a fully hosted platform, meaning they take care of hosting, security, and technical maintenance for you. It's perfect for beginners who want an all in one solution. WooCommerce, on the other hand, however, is a WordPress plugin. It gives you more flexibility and control over your website, but with that, comes a bit of more responsibility, and you will need to handle hosting and maintenance yourself. That is an ample difference on its own. When it comes to ease of use, we would have to consider everyone's comments on this one, and Shopify shines through with this regard. Shopify has been reported very easy for users, and with its intuitive drag and drop builders, even total beginners can have a store up and running in hours. WooCommerce takes a little more effort. You'll need to set up WordPress first and then install the plugin. While it's not rocket science, it's not as beginner friendly as Shopify would be. So generally, with the process of creating a store, Shopify would definitely be helpful for beginners. Let's talk about money. Shopify has plans starting at $39 per month in 2025. This includes hosting, security, and a suite of built-in tools. With WooCommerce, the plugin itself is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting, which starts around at $10 per month, plus your domain name and optional extensions. It can be cheaper overall, but you're piecing things together, so it might differ from one person to the other. Shopify offers a huge selection of themes and apps to add features to your store. It's built to be plug and play, and most extensions are designed to work seamlessly. So, pretty much when it comes to features and extensions, Shopify would have a good place. With WooCommerce, you're open to endless plugins. It's highly customizable, which makes it ideal for advanced users and unique business needs. The catch, you might need a developer to fully unlock its potential. So last but not least, scalability and performance. Shopify is highly scalable. Whether you're starting small or operating a large business, Shopify can handle it without performance hiccups. Their hosted solution ensures your store stays fast and secure. WooCommerce also scales well, but depends on your hosting provider. If you choose a strong host, it can support large traffic and high sales volume, but the technical upkeep might grow as your store expands. So overall, Shopify would stand out with this regard since it does provide a little bit of more consistency and also high scalability. So this having been said, let's jump back to our initial question, which would be better to use? If you have not figured it out yet, it depends. It depends on your business, it depends on your needs. Choose Shopify if you value simplicity, ease of use, and an all-in-one platform, and go with WooCommerce if you prefer customization, control, and potentially lower costs. The best platform ultimately depends on your priorities and what you want for your business. So I hope this gives you a general overview of both platforms and also provide a standpoint for comparison and help you choose the one that you want for your business and be successful at the end of the day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.